Dave here, how are you? You know, I'm a bit passionate about the Stanton bench and MFT3s and these style of work surfaces. The reason being, I love to use 20mm dogs in here. These ones are 20mm close fit dogs from TSO Products, and I use them with a guide rail with my Stanton dog locks, and they work brilliantly. Just magic. Now, wouldn't you like to have the same capacity to use Stanton dog locks on a 96mm regular pattern? Well, maybe you have something like that already, but it's 3/4 inch holes, and you don't want to drill those holes out for a couple of reasons. You may already have some style of dogs that work with 3/4 system, but here's the changeover. Bradley from Tool Theory has come up with this very, very clever idea. It's very simple, but very clever. 3/4 inch down here, 20mm up here. Now, these ones also are 17mm from the underside of the collar to the bottom, which means you can put them in a 3/4 inch hole in a bench that's maybe 18mm thick. Baltic birch ply normally comes at 18mm thick. So if you have a dog that is 18 or 19 in this section, you will not be able to clamp it up properly. That's another little great thing about this one. They can go straight into a 3/4 inch hole. You saw how well those dogs designed for 20mm go in. Look at this, all over the place, but look at the other side. Sits there perfectly. 3/4 inch hole, and you saw me drilling that hole right at the beginning of the video. There it is. And in the bottom, it doesn't go all the way through. So I can now use an 8mm speed knob to lock it. And man, oh man, that's going to work very, very well for you. I'll put some links in the video description down the bottom, and knock yourselves out. Go and get a pair of these. I think Brad's doing a special where he's doing a discount if you get a pair of these dogs and a pair of the Stanton dog locks at the same time. Thanks for watching. If you like what I'm doing, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, click that little bell icon as well, and you'll get notifications next time I do a video. See you later. What a clever idea. So simple, so simple.